Very good. Oh, well, that looks lovely. That's just, oh, very good. Oh, now why did you stop?
Stop?
Sure, one backyard full of flowers is great, but an entire neighborhood is better. Why don't I explain?